Good morning, students. Now let us continue the Apex Court, that is also called Supreme Court. Supreme Court is at the apex of Indian Judiciary. Apex means top. As per Constitution of India, it is topmost judicial organization. It is situated in Delhi. Have you seen this Supreme Court? If you have gone to Delhi, so Supreme Court you can see there. All the civil and criminal courts of India have to work under the jurisdiction of the Supreme Court. The Supreme Court consists of one Chief Justice and 28 additional judges. One is the main judge, that is called Chief Justice, and 28 additional judges. Total 29. The Chief Justice of the Supreme Court is appointed by the President of India. The number of judges in the Supreme Court is decided by Parliament. But if the President feels that the workload of the Supreme Court is increased, then the President can appoint additional ad hoc judges to the Supreme Court. अगर लगे काम बढ़ गया है तो और जजेस को भी अपॉइंट किया जाता है. As per the provision of the Constitution, the judges in the Supreme Court are appointed on the basis of seniority, except for the Chief Justice of Supreme Court. All the other judges are appointed in the consultation with the Chief Justice as well as other senior judges. Now, what are the qualifications of the judges of the Supreme Court? A person who is appointed as the judge of Supreme Court should be first quality that citizen of India, no foreigners are allowed. Number two, should have provided a service of at least 5 years as a judge in any one of the High Court of the Indian, or should have an experience of at least 10 years as an advocate in any of the High Court of India, or should be a distinguished judge or famous jurist as per opinion of the President, and should not be more than 65 years of age. Maximum age, that is 65, and the retirement age is 65 years for the judges of the Supreme Court. Now, let us discuss about the time period, that how much time one judge can be hold their position. The retirement age is 65 years for judge of the Supreme Court. However, the change in the age of retirement can be made by Parliament through framing the law. They cannot carry the practice of law in any of the Indian courts, but they can provide their service in committees appointed to investigate into uncommon situations or events. वो प्राइवेट कोर्ट में या अपना प्राइवेट प्रैक्टिस नहीं कर सकते, राइट, बट कोई ऐसे टिपिकल केसेस आ जाते हैं तो उसमें सलाह मशवरा दे सकते हैं. इफ इनकैपेबल टू कैरी आउट देयर ड्यूटीज before the time of retirement, then under such circumstances they can resign willingly from their post by tendering written resignation to the President. But the judges can be removed from their post and power if they are found to be guilty of incapability, misconduct or inefficiency. This removal is in accordance with the provision of the Constitution and is carried out through impeachment motion in Parliament. The procedure for it is as follows. Every House of Parliament, every house means Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha. Every House of Parliament has to submit a memorandum having majority support to the President of total number of members, and at least 2/3 means 2/3 means 66% number of members present in respective session. Based on the presentation, by the order of president the judge can be removed from the post. This is called impeachment. The conducting of the investigation as well as the conducting of proof for same, the concerned judge is given the opportunity to present his narration in his self defense in the parliament. पार्लियामेंट में वो अपने बचाव में बोल सकता है, उसको चांस दिया जाता है, राइट. द प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंडिया एडमिनिस्टर्स द ओथ ऑफ secrecy and loyalty towards the constitution to the judges who appointed to the Supreme Court before taking the charge of their post. The judges are required to take the oath in oral as well as sign the pledge. Means अपने जब पद पे आते हैं तो उनको शपथ ली जाती है ओरली, प्लस एक प्लेज में भी उनको साइन करना पड़ता है. ओके, टुडे वी कंप्लीट दिस सेशन.